The light that I'm using is a Quick Light X rechargeable. I'm getting a ruler, tape, and scissors. Now this particular tape that I'm using is double-sided insulation tape. This tape works the best for me. Here I'm going to cut two 1.5 inch pieces of tape. So I'm going to cut this first one, and then I'm going to cut the second one, put it right next to it. Once these two pieces are cut, I will take the first piece and I will place it towards the front of the drone, about in the center. The reason why I'm putting it off a little bit to the right is because I'm going to put that second piece to the left of it and try to keep it center here. And then I'm just going to press it down to make sure it sticks well. Now here you can give it more time, generally 5-10 minutes, whatever you think. But for the purpose of this video, I'm only giving it a couple seconds. Sometimes it can be hard to get that off too. Let's grab the light now, just wipe it off real quick, and then affix it to the top where we just put the double-sided sticky tape. I personally like to try to put it where it's not going to interfere with the battery. You can push it farther back if you wish, but for me I put it right here. I'm pressing it down just to make sure it sticks, and then you'll see we'll pick it up and you should be able to remove the battery just like so if you want to pop another one in there. And now you can click it once to get the light on, press it again to get the second light on, and press it a third time to get that strobe effect. Here I'll pick it up from the front just to show you that it's pretty sturdy. One more time. And here's what it looks like outdoors. When I installed this one, I put the tape a little bit farther back, as you'll see in the shot. However, in a moment I'll just show you how easy it is to take it off. Again, I'm clearing the blades, making sure I'm not interfering with its flight. To remove it, you just grab onto the light and give it a nice little tug, side to side maybe. Pops right off, and then just remove both pieces of tape. Here's a setup for the Bebop. It's the exact same thing. Cutting 1.5 inches, 2 pieces. Using the same exact light. Stick it a little bit in the center, making sure that the blades won't get in the way. Pull it off, sometimes a little bit hard. Again, you can leave it for a few minutes or a few seconds, but probably longer the better. Stick it in the center. Pull off the cap, turn on the light, hit it a couple times. You can see that I'm holding it to show its durability. It should stay right on there. And there you go, and it's easily removable. Have a good one.